Welcome back to St Blazey Model World. Just having a look at these foam crafting brushes, another set that I bought. I've had several of these, and if you've seen these around in the pound stores or the craft shops and stuff and online and wondering whether you should or you shouldn't, yet you most definitely should. Let's have a look. Right away, I should say you don't have to buy them with these teeth marks in them. That's because I've got two dogs, one of which really doesn't like the post guy all that much. And let's have a quick look at Exhibit A. So for £2.90 sterling here in the UK from Amazon, this is what you get. Let's get them out of the packet. So you get five different brushes, foam brushes, a couple of small ones there and three larger ones, and they're absolutely ideal. These can do things that paintbrushes, traditional paintbrushes, and even an airbrush cannot do, and I love them dearly. Let's see them in action. So here I've got my basic display diorama. It's very small, looking a little bit tired, and that grass in the back there, that could do with a little bit of a lighten up, couldn't it? Let's get the foam brush into action. So here I've got my foam brush, one of the smaller ones from this range, and I've just got a really basic cheap poster paint, bright green colour on the brush there. We can just dab that on and just give ourselves a little bit of variation. As I say, these are not, this is not an exclusive for a sort of fully exhaustive test. I'm really just trying to show you what's possible with these bits of kit, because they can do things that your brushes and even your airbrushes really can't do. We're just putting a little bit of variation here, and that's all that matters, isn't it? And if we don't like the final result, we can tone it down again slightly after. I've got my 00 gauge Conflat, looks pretty plain. I've got my makeup powder that I use for weathering in place of weathering powders. Do just as good a job, don't cost half the money. So let's just take a little bit onto the brush, and we'll apply that now to the chassis of the Conflat here. And we're just working our way along. And it's very subtle, because weathering should be subtle and varied. We don't want to go berserk. We're just trying to achieve a little bit of a different look. And I know that you could do some of this with a brush or an airbrush, but how much easier is it to clean out some foam brushes? It's looking good. Another hot tip from St Blazey Model World. Bye for now.